chocolate cupcake. Plus, you're going to get all chocolatey.
Ew.
No, no. Watch this. First, you have to watch out for this paper. See that? You can't eat paper now. Okay? Then you just bite it like this. Rough. But don't eat the paper. Here, let me have that. Here. No. No.
Papa, where's I'll get tissue, Papa.
Oh, get tissue?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, there you go. No, you eat it. Take a bite like that.
Ew.
No, no, here.
No, it's okay. You can wipe your hands later. It's water now. I guess she likes it.
Is it good?
Still thinking about it, I think.
It's good, look.
She used to spit things out, remember?
Yeah. Whoopsies. Oh, be careful.